In this video, I will show you how to install and use my horror cinematic titles pack for Premiere Pro, and this works with Premiere Pro version 2019 and above. You can download this pack absolutely free for limited time from the link in the description section below. And if you want to support me to make more and more free stuffs available for you guys, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has 300 plus seamless transitions and elements for Premiere Pro. These are drag and drop transitions and elements which you can use and take your videos to the next level. Right now you can get it up to 70% off. The download link is in the description section below, or visit my website harshvardhanart.com. So without further ado, let's get started. After downloading this horror cinematic titles pack from my website harshvardhanart.com, and the link is in the description section below, you can download this pack and you will get this GIF file. So you need to extract this folder using any unzip software like WinZip or 7RR. Thereafter, you will get some of these MOGET files. So these are 12 MOGET files and you need to install them. So let's go to the Adobe Premiere Pro, and over here in the Essential Graphics panel, if you are using the Premiere Pro version 20 and 21, then you have this option to install it all at once. Otherwise, if you are using the Premiere Pro version 2019, and then you need to come down over here and click on this plus icon and browse the downloaded folder wherever you have downloaded this, and click on any one of these and click open, and that way these would be available right over here. So that was the manual way of installing one by one, and let me show you the second one, which is available I think only in Premiere Pro version 2020 and 21 and above version. So for this purpose, let's go to the click on this hamburger menu, click on the manage additional folder, and over here you will get this dialog box. Click on the add and browse the downloaded folder. So let's say this one, okay, and then you need to click on the select folder, and thereafter you need to press OK, and that way all of these titles would be available right over here. You can see these titles would be installed. So these are simple drag and drop titles and they are fully customizable. So let's try the first one. So this is simple, it has no background, so just drag it over of your clips or to your timeline. So these are in the 4K resolution and this is my full HD resolution, so I need to just lower it down. So for that purpose I would right click and select the scale to frame size. That way it would be scaled to my size. So if I just play it, so this is how it looks. And now if we go to the edit panel, so here we can change this text to something like horror movie, okay, and we can change the font. So the font which I have used in this case is the over the rainbow. You can choose any other font, and inside this folder you will find one text file which has the font and download link. So you can download this link this font from that link, or you can Google it. And over here you can change its parameters, like you can make it all caps, but I think that this looks much better with just small caps. And you can adjust its position. As you can see, it's going out of the frame, so we'll adjust these position X and Y value. So we'll drag this X, and that way this would be over here. And then we have the option to scale it down, so we can scale it down something like this with this slider. Okay, and after scaling we'll adjust the position once again, maybe something like this. And we can change this color to something like red, which is real creepy. So if you just play it, this is how it looks. All right, now let's try the second one, which has the background. So let this has only the cross background. So again, I would right click and select scale to frame size, and I can just change this horror creepy. Okay, and let's scale it down a little bit, adjust its X position, change the color to this again red. All right, and now let's try next one, which has some background. So let's drag this one, and again I would right click and select scale to frame size, and let's see how this one looks. So if I just play, this is how it looks. Again, you have the option to change the text and colors. You can even change the background color with the help of the start color and the end color. So if we click on the start color, and let's make it something like this, and color, and let's make it something like this. This is how you can change this to any color. All right, and again we have the same option. So let me just place few more. So let's place this one, or let's place this one. So all have the different variations. Either the background is different, or some elements are different. So if I just play it, you can see this is how it looks. It has these skulls, and in the next title we have this crow, simple, no skulls, nothing. And using this you can compile your horror movie trailer very easily. So download this pack and use it. And once again, let me remind you that if you want to support me to make more and more free stuff for you guys, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has at this moment 300 plus transitions and elements, which are very useful drag and drop transitions and drag and drop elements just like this. This is also a part of best seamless transition pack. At this moment you can get this best seamless transition pack at up to 70% off. So go ahead, download it, support me, and consider sharing this video with others. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.